Alrighty, we have an outlet here on the wall in the kitchen, and I believe we might have to put a GFI on it. So we're going to measure and see how far this is from the sink.
Do you have one of those, Bob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is. There's the distance from the sink, so we do have to put a GFI on it. Okay, so we'll put our GFI receptacle in here.
Ask you about this one thing here. There's no way it goes closer. I don't know if it went to one of them. No, that's on the other. How many inch too? Yep, that's on the other.
The only way you can do that
is, yeah, it's supposed to be a piece of wood in there, but I was gonna say that you can add, but like you said, put a piece of wood in there. No. But this needs to come this way. Yeah. But you gotta put a piece of, take this, screw this out and put a cord here down, bring this in a little bit more. Oh, that's really cool.
That's me. Clean that
Oh,
big
shit.
Yeah.
There's a lot of doors for that. Oh, look at that art. If I find some wood, I'll put a piece in here and I'll just take these hinges and slide this over and straighten it out.
Yeah.
Close it up. You take that spray foam, spray foam it all around these joints or all these drain things there. So we keep the fucking moistened shit out of here. You can see right down the cellar. Oh, God. Get back up.
Straight leg feels like yours.
Wires goes right down my whole leg. My hip is getting right, keeps giving out. It's right through my back.
Okay, we get our wires all straightened out here. So now we got to change this box because the GFI is going to be too deep to go in this box here. Okay. So you can see how deep this box is compared to this one. And we're going to be installing the Eaton GFI.
What plugs in over there? The stove.
And as you can see, it's going to be too deep because we got to have room in for this wire in here. So we're going to take this box off. We're going to save this box. We're not throwing it away because we can use it on a shallower application. So we'll take this off of here like this. And we'll put our additional box on here like this. And we'll save this plate and the screws for our other one that we're taking off. It's nice they give you extra screws, so we always save them in case we always need them. Okay, so we'll stick it on here. Okay, so let's go down to our plate nice and snug here. Okay, so we're not going to be using the load side. See, it says load and line, so we're going to close our load screws because we're not going to be using the load side. So we're going to be using our ground. White goes on the silver screw, which is the wide slot. Black goes on the brass screw, which is the narrower slot. So we'll cut our wire length down to the size we need for these. Okay, so I'll cut this one. That. I'll just hold it up here for the strip line. Okay, so we'll put our ground and white on first. Make sure our wire goes up under the pressure plate all the way there. Tighten it up. Okay, we'll get our white on the line terminal here. So loosen that up a little bit. Make sure our copper is up at the top of the pressure plate here. Make sure it's tight, like that. Okay, we'll come over here, we'll get our black one on the brass. We'll get it under the terminal here on the line side.
I got one of them in storage.
Okay, we'll make sure our copper comes up to the top of the pressure plate there. See how the copper is up the top there?
Are you gonna be around tomorrow?
Okay, there it is. That's what we want.
Alright, I'll be here in the morning.
Okay, now we'll push our wires back into our box. We'll keep our ground wire back away from everything here, and we'll just push this into our box.
Can I use your hammer for a minute?
Yeah.
This guy gotta knock that thing over a little bit. I'll bring my hammer to it tomorrow. Knock it so I don't have to fall over.
Now we'll just screw it in tight to our box here. Just nice and snug here. Nice and centered here so it looks nice. And we'll stick our cover on here. Alrighty, so here in the country I was born in, you have to have a GFI in the kitchen within 6 feet of the sink, any outlet outdoors or outlets in the bathroom, and of course around a swimming pool. Peace. Thanks for watching.